the package looks like. It's by HeyDay, and I'm going to show you guys how to set it up and how to get through all the obstacles that I went through. Alright, so I'm going to take it out the box, and what you're first going to see is two bands, I guess you could say, and it's obviously not going to fit on a wrist, so we need to adjust it. So we're going to take the little tab that says HeyDay and pop it open. So after you take it off, you're going to see the part that you need to adjust to make it fit your wrist. It's going to have a arrow on it, and I like to use a butter knife to get right under the arrow, and you can pop it right open really smoothly. From there, you can move it up or down to adjust it to fit your wrist. Once you've adjusted it to your desired wrist length, I guess, you just pop it right down, and it's kind of hard, but it's what keeps it sturdy. I hope that was somewhat helpful for you guys in any way. I got this for about $15 at Target. I've had it for about 2 weeks now, and I really like it so far. I love the shininess of it, and I'll put in some clips of it shining. Overall, it's a really good, nice, sturdy band. And yeah. Also, today is the new year. I hope you started off the new year strong, and if you guys are making any New Year's resolutions, be sure to check out my video on how to keep one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, and don't forget to dazzle. Hey!